I've hurt my back and it won't go back.
Do you frequently experience lower back pain? If so, you're not alone. 70% of Americans suffer from lower back pain, and for 10% of people, it's considered a chronic condition. Once the pain is present, many individuals develop habits to avoid bending their lower back. They are afraid to experience the pain and develop harmful habits to avoid it. This often leads to a worsening of their condition, which can increase pain or, in severe cases, disability. Those that experience lower back pain often find themselves seeking help from physical therapists like our clients, Dr. David Brown and Rebecca Hennessy. They operate a lab centered around helping individuals with chronic lower back pain to develop healthier bending habits. The biggest issue physical therapists like Dr. Brown face is the lack of monitoring for the bending of the lower back.
This is where the L-Flex comes in. With a minimalist design, this device can monitor and record the bending in the lumbar region of the back without impairing major motor functionality. It adjusts to all sizes and fits comfortably around the waist. This device is normally worn in contact with the user's skin. The L-Flex monitors the angle of the lumbar region through the use of an accelerometer sewn into the belt. This sensor sends the data to the device controller that sends the data through an algorithm to report out the bending angle. Our client can then use the L-Flex in conjunction with the Kinesis and other devices to record the lumbar flexion angle. Our client is able to incorporate our device into their Unity program to give their participants a better visual of their bending habits and their progress. This data can be viewed in real time on a computer or through a mobile app. It can also be viewed as a summary of the data collected post-activity. With access to data like this, physical therapists can better target the problematic habits of their clients and monitor their progress towards recovery. This allows them to recommend both safer and more effective treatment for their clients. The L-Flex is not limited to clinical use. The device can be used in a home setting as well to monitor clients and provide feedback on their daily habits outside of the physical therapist's office. The Mind Stretch Sense and X Sense seen on the top are sensors or sensor systems that are too costly for the average consumer. The Upright Go and Braun Basic seen on the bottom exclude important data that cannot be viewed in real time. These devices lack the compact, form-fitting, and efficient nature of the L-Flex. We are planning to sell our device for $150. This is a 135% markup from the cost of our raw materials. Profit will come from direct sales to physical therapists, PT offices, hospitals, and individual users. With connections through our client in UAB, we believe we will have a steadily growing client base. For our potential investors, we are asking for $50,000 to cover our initial operating costs. This will help to establish our business and manufacture our first 100 devices. We believe we will be able to sell all of these devices within our first year of production. With increasing our sales each following year, we plan to pay back 50% of our investment plus 10% interest by the third year of production. The L-Flex is an affordable and efficient way to provide the data necessary to help physical therapists alleviate fear and pain from their patients with chronic lower back pain.